Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Seco, and today we are going to be talking about how to find stocks in the pre-market using Finviz. Okay, so in this case, this video will not be that long at all. If you're interested in that, and just stay along the way, because I will be explaining everything, and there is no need to click off the video and search it for yourself. So go on screener, Finviz, then go ahead and click on the screener. What I like to do is just go ahead and click on all so you can view it as fast as possible. So the first thing will be the industry. I'm only looking for stocks, like as easy as that. You do not even need to do that, but like just off of the fact that like I just do that. The first thing that I'm going to be looking is the current volume. So it will be over 100k. We want volatile stocks, okay? We want oh my god, volatile, like liquid stocks. But liquid stocks that you can see the chart patterns, you feel me? You can see everything. After that, I'm going to be talking about the average volume. The average volume on the average number of shares traded in stock per day will be over 300k. A sweet number in the middle, over 300k, will be a pretty nice thing. You can absolutely find decent stocks out there. Then we have the average true range, or ATR. The ATR will be over zero point 0.5. Okay, I will just explain what ATR means. So ATR, or average true range. So a lot of people are misunderstanding that, but it's a market volatility indicator used in a technical like analysis. It is a typical derived form of from the 14-day simple moving average of a series of the true ranges indicators. Okay, the ATR was like originally developed for use in communities markets, but has since been applied to all types of securities. This is from, you can just go ahead and click on IT or search ATR in the stock market and you will find that. We want it to be over 1.5, so we want volatile stocks. The other thing that we're going to be using will be the price. We want stocks that are under 50 bucks. Bam, just like that. And like that's about it. Or yeah, I mean that's about it for right now. No, 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 no. Oh my god, this is not it. We only have like the number of stocks we have right now is like 997. You can go ahead and kind of double click on the volume and see what you have right here. These are the charts, but we are going to be using the 200 days, 20, 50 day, and to 20 day simple moving average. We want the price to be all above that them averages. Okay, so what are we going to do? And what does for example, 200 day simple moving average mean? It basically is a line or like on the chart that shows the average of the last. As you see, this first number here, we have 200 and we have 20, 50 day, but in the last like 200 days on closing prices, and here we have 50 days and vice versa. So if the price is above that line, we are bullish, and vice versa. The 200 day simple moving average should be below the price here. We want the price to be above the estimate 50, and the 20-day to be below the price above SMA. We're basically all the same thing. So we're left with 334 stocks. The most volatiles are on the top. Here, like bro, Funware is just killing it right now. Like I don't know what's happening, but you can go ahead to kind of try it for yourself to find stocks in the pre-market. This is like if you found that on the on Tuesday, bro, you could have been rich right now. So yeah, peace out. Have a great day for the rest of your day, and bye.